Welcome to the Product Management series. In this video, we'll explore 3 fundamental approaches to pricing your products or services. Pricing is one of the most critical decisions you'll make in business because it directly impacts your revenue, profitability, and how customers perceive your value. Whether you're launching a new product, adjusting existing prices, or entering a new market, understanding these 3 pricing strategies will help you make better decisions. Let's dive in. Every business uses one of 3 core pricing methods. First, there's cost-plus pricing, which focuses on your production costs and adds a profit margin on top. Second, there's value-based pricing, which sets the price based on what customers believe your product is worth. And third, there's competitive pricing, which matches or adjusts against what your competitors are charging. Each method works differently and suits different business situations. Let's examine each one in detail. Cost-plus pricing is the most straightforward approach. You calculate your total cost to produce a product, then add a markup percentage to determine your selling price. For example, if your production cost is $50 and you want a 40% markup, you add 40% of 50 to the original 50, which gives you $70 as your selling price. This method is simple to calculate and ensures you always maintain your desired profit margin. It works best for manufacturers, retailers, and businesses where you have predictable, consistent production costs. Let's look at a concrete example. If your product costs $50 to make and you apply a 40% markup, your selling price becomes $70. This method has several key advantages. First, it's simple to calculate and implement, even for small business owners. Second, it guarantees that you maintain your profit margin regardless of sales volume. Third, it works especially well with standardized products where costs are consistent. However, cost-plus pricing doesn't consider what customers are willing to pay or what competitors are charging, which can sometimes leave money on the table. Value-based pricing takes a completely different approach. Instead of starting with your costs, you start with what customers believe your product is worth. This is based on the benefits, features, and outcomes that customers perceive. The price is set at whatever level matches the value customers receive from your product. This method can be much more profitable than cost-plus pricing because it captures the full value you create. It works best for premium products, high-quality services, and markets where customer satisfaction and perceived benefits drive purchasing decisions. Consider a premium coffee brand with loyal customers. Even though it costs $1.50 to produce a cup, customers perceive the value to be $6 because of the brand reputation, quality, and experience. Value-based pricing allows you to charge that $6. The key advantages are significant. First, it maximizes your profit margins and overall revenue because you're capturing the true value customers receive. Second, it reflects what customers actually think your product is worth, not just your costs. Third, it enables you to position your product as premium in the market. The challenge is accurately understanding what value customers perceive. Competitive pricing is based on what your competitors are charging for similar products. You research the prices of competing products and set your price at a similar level or slightly higher or lower depending on your positioning. The formula is simple. Your price equals your competitor's price, adjusted up or down based on your strategy. This approach works best in commodities markets, highly competitive industries, and situations where products have similar features across different brands. When customers see many similar options, they often compare prices, making competitive pricing essential. Imagine you're selling smartphone cases in a market where competitors price similar cases at $25. Using competitive pricing, you might price yours at $24.99 to be slightly more attractive. The key advantages are important to understand. First, it keeps you competitive in the market and ensures customers see you as a viable option. Second, it reduces pricing risk because you're following market-proven price points rather than guessing. Third, it's easy to adjust your prices as market conditions change or competitors adjust their prices. However, competitive pricing can sometimes pressure your profit margins, especially if you haven't optimized your costs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.